Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Rajendra Ravi Tech Support. Today I am talking about the lubricants. Types of lubricants. There are three mainly types of lubricants. One is natural oil, which is obtained from animal fat. Second one is mineral oil, which is obtained from petroleum products. Third one is a synthetic oil, which polymerization silicones. It is a man-made synthetic oil polymerization. There are five groups of base oil. This is a chart in which five groups. Then the properties of lubricants. The main property is viscosity, viscosity index, specific gravity, flash point, and pour point. These are the main basic properties of lubricants. Then this is a cleanliness chart of ISO code for lubricants. Mineral oil, how it is obtained. The distillation, solvent extraction, chill dewaxing, and mild hydro finishing. And finally, the outcome is base oil. Then lubrication classification is there. There are three main types: solid, semi-solid, and fluid. Semi-solid comes under these. What is the main advantage of lubrication? Lubrication provides a film between moving parts. It cools the components, it seals the components, and sometimes it acts as a cleaning agent also. And dampening and cushioning also it absorbs some load in the mechanical components. Lubricant composition. Not all have all the lubricant composition. Some oil will have some composition like antioxidant, disperant, viscosity modifier, pour point enhancer, anti-wear additives, friction modifier. Then what is the difference between mineral and synthetic oil? The main difference is output from crude oil as a petroleum product. Synthesis as per required. It's a man-made. We synthesize as per our requirement and based on this uneven molecule structure. Then there is a uniform molecule structure in the synthetic oil. Poor viscosity in the mineral oil. Very good viscosity retention or temperature range. These are the some advantages of minerals and the synthetic oil. Then what are the advantage of additives adding? The detail we have given. Suppose viscosity index improver. Viscosity index improver are very large polymer additives that particularly prevent the oil from thinning out as the temperature is increased. If the temperature is increased, the viscosity property will be vary. So that's why viscosity index improver is added in the lubricants. Then extreme pressure additive. These are the chemical aggressive agent, detergents. It keeps cool components. Then some of the basic properties of engine oil: API CH4SI, SI grade 15W40. Then viscosity index 4 point. These are the some basic value derived from the OEM oil companies. This is ISO coding chart cleanness of the lubricants, diesel fuel lubricants. Then engine oil. What is the use of engine oil? Engine oil is, if you put good oil, it increases the main bearing life. Hydraulic also increase pump and piston rod seal and valve life. Transmission oil increases gear life. Coolant increases radiator life and engine life. Then the coolant analysis. If you send the coolant for testing purpose, these are the parameters which are tested in the laboratory. Then in lubricants, grease also is there. It's referred as a semi-lubricants. Calcium sulfonate, lithium complex are added in the grease. So its properties are mentioned in this chart. Grease components is a base oil to 75 to 90%, and they will add thickener to 4 to 20%, and additives 8% in the grease. Then if we send the oil for the analysis purpose for the lab, we can indicate the how much wear is there, what are the wear components is coming. Suppose in a diesel engine, if iron is there, chromium is there, it is mainly the source of cylinder liner and piston rings. Like that, there are so many elements are there, metals are there. We can analyze what is the main problem in the system. The engine viscosity. Viscosity decrease means oil permanent viscosity is there. The power shift transmissions, what are the components are there. In that components, if anything this minerals is coming means what is the torque converter problem or something else. Differential and final drives. Then hydraulics and steering system. These are the wear analysis chart. We can refer what is the exact problem in the system. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel to add more videos.